Hello, my name's Alex and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, WP Eagle. I upload videos every single week and my videos are all around WordPress. Now, for those of you that don't know, WordPress is a fantastic free platform that enables you to make some fantastic websites. My videos are mostly tutorial videos where I show you how to do some amazing things with WordPress. So I've got some full-length videos where I show you how to make a complete website. That website could be a blog, could be a business website, or even an affiliate marketing website. I've also got some shorter, quick videos that show you how to do some of the basic stuff with WordPress, like adding social media buttons, forms, pretty much anything that you need to do. I also do a live stream every single week, usually on a Wednesday, where I'm here on YouTube, available to answer your questions around WordPress, business, affiliate marketing, pretty much anything really. You should also go and check out wpeagle.com. That's my website. It's got all these videos on it, but it's also got a few other extra bits and bobs that I think you're going to really enjoy. I'm going to go now and leave you to browse some of my videos. But before I do, I'd highly recommend that you click that subscribe button right now. Click the little bell as well. That way you won't miss out when I upload a new video. I'm also on social media. You'll find me over on Facebook and on Twitter. Just do a search for WordPress Eagle and you should be able to find me. Anyway, until next time, bye for now.